we guide you through how to enable microphone on Android. So, start by checking your app permissions and settings to ensure the apps you want to use have microphone access. Then moving to the sound settings to verify that the input volume is set correctly. And if your mic still isn't working, we'll show you how to clear the cache and data for the affected app. Restart your device to refresh system settings and test the microphone using the built-in voice recorder or a third-party app. If it's hardware issue, we'll guide you on running a microphone diagnostic through your phone service menu or using SafeMode to roll out app conflicts. And finally, we'll give you tips on using external microphones and ensuring no cases or cover blocks the mic so you can fix Android mic problems permanently and start recording, calling, or voice messaging without interruptions.